Meaning of devilish.
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 Devilish. Devilish is an adjective that describes something or someone as being wicked, mischievous, or having a diabolical quality or nature. This word is often used to describe the actions, behavior, or traits of people who exhibit a certain level of mischief or wickedness in their actions. It can also be used to describe something or someone who is highly skilled or cunning in a particular area, such as a devilish grin or a devilish sense of humor. In summary, devilish implies a sense of wickedness, cunning, or mischief in a person or action.